Replacing the tablet for your Prep and Print with Flex system is easy and only takes a few minutes. Starting with your current setup, pick up the printer to access the back where you can turn off the power and unplug the USB cable to the current tablet. Remove the zip ties that secure the USB cable to the post. Now unscrew the 4 bolts on the back of the mount holding the tablet in place. Once the tablet and holder are removed from the mount, carefully lift the security panel over the 4 bolts on the back and slide it apart from the tablet holder. Carefully slide the old tablet out of the holder and set it, along with the black cable, to the side. We can now prepare the new tablet by plugging the included white cable into the tablet and insert it into the tablet holder. Position the cable to either side of the holder and then place the security panel over the tab at the top and align the 4 holes to fit over the bolts. The tablet is now secure and ready to be reattached to the mount. With the tablet secured to the mount inside the holder, you can use the included zip ties to reattach the cable to the post at the top. Wind the cord around the post a couple of times to make sure it won't be in your way, then secure it to the bottom of the post with the other zip tie. Plug in the new white USB cord into the back of the printer. Turn the printer power on and replace the printer into the stand. Hardware assembly is now complete. Next, we need to pair the new tablet with your existing printer. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. Choose Connections. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on and then look for your printer under Available Devices. It should automatically appear on the list and begin with the letters SLP. Tap the printer and then enter 4 zeros for the PIN number and hit OK. Close the screen by tapping the Home button at the bottom center of the screen. Click the Flex app icon to log in and then select Add Printer. Click the paired printer in the list of available devices and be sure to click Save Printer. Tap the Home button in the top left and you're ready to go. Once you've completed installation, place the old tablet with the cord into the same box you received for return shipping. There is an included label for returning the old tablet to Ecolab. Call the FedEx number on the label to schedule a pickup or give the box to your Ecolab sales associate to return.